In this question, two statements are given, and in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1, parenchyma is living, but collenchyma is dead tissue. This is not true because both parenchyma and collenchyma are living tissues. Statement 2, gymnosperms lack xylem vessels, but the presence of xylem vessels is the characteristic of angiosperms. Now, this is true because gymnosperms have tracheids for water conduction, but they lack the xylem vessels. And in contrast, xylem vessels are the defining feature of angiosperms. Thus, statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Hence, the correct answer is option B.